Things will get better. To where? We have become ready for good Nigeria. Through governance for years. To date. Let me tell you, my brother. I always tell them, when you took one blood and child, I raise a hand up. When that hand begins to rotate, you surely bring that hand down. The child will take him belong. The same government that work against Jonathan, put Jonathan away. Jonathan is a woman, he's a drunkard. The same government that we are passing today, that went to Ojota, I'm campaigning against the former government, the Jonathan government. The same government that has media, they don't know the media. I mean, let me mention them. The Southwest, the Yorubas, they don't know media. They don't know media. They are majority media. They know how to write. They don't know television and the radio station. They know how to write and condemn leaders. Then look at what is going on today. They condemn Jonathan today, like a fowl, or like dog, or bushmeat. They write heaven and earth against Jonathan, condemn Jonathan. But today, they cannot write. Yoruba that have media and the newspaper and radio station, they cannot write again. What are them? What of Ojota? That the warehouse at Ojota. What of the house? Is it abandoned? Is it abandoned property now? Why can't they go there and protest? Normal as usual. How they used to protest against PDP. Now nobody's talking. Who is fooling who? Let me tell you, whatever you saw, you surely repeat.
Say that
you can never sleep. Whatever you saw, you will repeat.
They are not saying the truth.
They can never say the truth. It has been them that does it. It has been in their blood. They will see truth and cover it. I have told you, Yorubas, the Western my brothers, and they don't believe that I'm their brother, but I believe that they are brother. But I have told them, let them go home and tell their children the truth of this country. Now today is May 1st, when we are supposed to rejoicing. Nigeria is supposed to rejoice and be happy. Government supposed to compensate the masses, the common man. House to house. That's how it's supposed to be. Go outside the country, people are rejoicing all over there. So what are you celebrating here? So what are we celebrating? Tears. Cheating, hatred, tribalism. That's what they are celebrating here. Massacre, killing here and here. Is it what you are going to celebrate? Do you see anybody smiling? Look all over the road. Do you see anybody smiling? Nobody is happy. My children is at home now hungry. I have no one now that see me so. I'm suffering. I'm tired of this country. I'm tired. What are you rejoicing for? A country that does not love you. They don't care about you. Whether you are listening or not, they don't care about you. Or what am I going to rejoice upon? They're all over there. They are there. In Abuja, they are rejoicing. While the masses are dying, while the common man are dying, they are rejoicing in Abuja. They are rejoicing all over there. Because they are the one that are eating what belongs to you and I. They are the one eating what belongs to me and you and I. With their children and their families. But I die now, who knows me? Nobody. They will know them. They will mention their name. All over the world, all over the country. They will mention their name. So what am I rejoicing? My brother, I'm tired of this country. I'm tired of this country. I'm controlled to tell them. I'm tired of this country. Can they let me be or let me go? He brings injustice against Igbo man, against the Easterners. You think that Nigeria will go forward? When you say Igbo man cannot be, Nigeria cannot be. They say Igbo man is not, the Easterners are nothing. You just give Igbo man little. You give Igbo man little, Easterners little. You doubt them. You are the one to decide for Igbos. In the name of one Nigeria. Who is one Nigeria? Where do you see one Nigeria? Are Are we practicing one Nigeria? Did you see one Nigeria? And they just fooling themselves, deceiving themselves. They cannot deceive me, they cannot fool me any longer. You say Igbo man cannot rule Nigeria. Igbo man win election. You come out. The Westerners come after Igbos. Because Igbo man won the election in Lagos State. The Westerners come against the Easterners. Tell me where Nigeria coming from? Where is the one nation? Let me tell you. You say Igbo man cannot be. Igbo man cannot rule Nigeria. I love Igbo man. Igbo man say he want to go. He said no. Why? I'm not eating it. I'm not eating again. Is it by force? I don't want to eat with you. Is it by force, my brother? It's not by force. You cannot force me to eat with you. Because we are not reason. We cannot reason together. We cannot reason the same. Not how you reason. I also reason. You reason different. I reason different. The Nigerian reason different. The Easterners is different. We are not the same. It's an illegal marriage. Nigeria is an illegal marriage. That's why Nigeria are turning upside down. Day by day, turning upside down. My brother, let me go. I tell them, let me go. I want to go. I'm tired of this country. I don't believe in one Nigeria. I tell them I don't believe in one Nigeria. Let me go. That's my prayer. I want to go. Let them leave my brother. Let them leave my brother over the barrier. What have Igbo man done to them? What have the Easterners done to Nigerians that bring this hatred? There's a lot of hatred in this country. I say that the country will grow. It can never grow. Because when you say your mama no go sleep, you can't sleep. You can't. You understand? Igbo man will commit. They will not flush the Igbo away. But the Westerners that they will not will commit and will free one Nigeria. The Northerners, they are free to carry arms or to carry machete in their waist. You overlook them. But when you see the East with the machete, you ask questions. Any small thing that happened to Igbo man, they will come after Igbo. Look at how the Nigerian soldiers are properly Fulanis, headsmen. Look at how they are properly, they got them. Fulani, they are killing innocent souls every day by day. Nigerian soldiers are preparing them. What of the Igbos? Anything that happened to East, they will gather and wait to East and begin to clear our youth. They don't want Igbo man to insist, to breathe. And let me tell you, when you say that this person is nothing, did you know about tomorrow? This person is nothing. Do you know about tomorrow? You don't know. And let me tell you, enough is enough. My advice to my Igbo people, let them think twice. Now, let them open eye and see what is going on in this country. What I see, what I always see in this country, a lot of injustice, a lot of hatred about Igbo man. Igbo man should remember where he come from. Enough is enough. That's why when you could tell them, remember where you come from. My Igbo people should remember where they come from. Let's go home and develop our place. And think about where we come from. What is the question? The Biafra. That's the question. Nigeria is a bygone. It's a dead country. I have to tell them. Who's you and I know. Everybody knows. Are you understand my point? So that is my contribution.
But actually, from Nancy, in 1 year's time, do you think it will be improvement?
Improvement for
the betterment of the country. Do you think the country will get better in 1 year?
If improvement, if we assume that we will see improvement in this country, when they put Jonathan out and they promise heaven and earth, we think that their own will be better. Then can go and put Jonathan out. How much are we buying bag of rice by then? We are buying bag of rice 6,000 naira, 7,000. The common man cannot afford to buy a dedica of rice now. How much is gas by then? So how long can we continue to deceive ourselves? It's not better than Buhari where they promise heaven and earth. They say Baba go do and Baba Che. According to my Yoruba, Baba Che, Buhari in your dad, Ache. They are the one that put Jonathan out. They bring Buhari. Things will turn upside down. They say it go better. Buhari go do it go better. A complete 8 years will not see any change. Now my brother come out to put a B under Labour Party. P2P won. That one come and say na him own turn. Na him go do. Emiloko. He cleared the election. Yoruba come after Igbos. One Nigeria. Now the Yoruba don't enter now. They are happy. Now who is crying? Who is crying? Who is happy now? After they do Uru to Igbos, things will be better for them.
See now, we're in a new house now, in a new government. No happiness from the beginning to today to tomorrow. Nigeria no happy. Generality of Nigeria no happy. Work ourselves, they don't tire. You work, no get shishi to eat. That life. That is not life now. United Nations say May 1st, the whole world, celebrate your workers, give them more confidence, and let them know, appreciate them. But Nigeria here, who know you? If you like work, you like no work, we are your own. They say work and no work, it go sack. Which be that language? Now zero. Demonstration of craziness, now in Nigeria. Where no recognize of who work for you. And there are workers in Nigeria, we are hand working. But where, you see anybody that jubilate? No. Go to the national stadium now. No. They just go there. No. Okay, yesterday wake up. Day before yesterday, it start. No fuel. And 2 days to workers day. Yesterday, worse. Today, worse star. How will you celebrate workers day? It's not celebrated in Nigeria. Nigeria is VIP, vagabond in power. They don't care for workers. They don't even care for the citizens. Talk less of who they call workers. So it's only God that will bless the workers. Except a dramatically change will come to Nigeria one day and the worker will be appreciated. Now, no appreciation. 30,000 they don't pay. They promise they will pay 700,000, 600,000, 400,000 from the mouth of the government. Workers they happy. Now lie. They can't say now lie. They can't say okay, they change it for them. Now they change it for the two. See, God will bless Nigeria because Nigeria is a fraudster home. From up to toe, they don't give us the truth. See, the truth will set you free. But where is the truth that will set me and you free? Because they're on top supposed to let us know that see what they happen, see what they happen, see what you can do, see what you cannot do. But they keep on telling you that they can do heaven and earth. At the end of the day, you don't see any heaven and earth. And we are not supposed to be crying every day. We are not supposed to be complaining every day. There is a time for everything. There is a time for A and B and C. But now, here is every day is timeless. Every day is timeless. Workers' day is 0 day. I sympathize with the workers of Nigeria because today they're supposed to be giving award, celebrate, but nothing like that. And the government is still telling them heaven and earth. Where is heaven and earth? It's hell. They're promising them hell. See, I don't want to emphasize on this situation because the system that governs us is not the real system they call democracy. It's a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. But here we are governed by people that are not even relevant. They don't even know you and I. They don't even care for you and I. Government for their pocket. They steal, they kill, and they destroy. Somebody 80 billion today is nowhere to be found. It's not even apprehended. Come here. Oh God. And they tell them, now reality, may they give us money, may they give us food, may they give us work, may they appreciate our workers today is first. Now, no fuel. How will they appreciate? How are we going to live? We are tired of the system. Jagaba, now you on top. Change your thinking and change your mindset and let Nigeria live accordingly. Because you promise a renewed hope. We will not see any teaching about renewed hope. Shigba, we will not see for inside renewed hope. Shigba, Oluwa de Tokam. Renewed hope, now zero. Please think and let us see. We, hungry man, don't they shout hallelujah for church. Who they hungry, don't they praise anybody. We praise nobody. Sanwo-Olu, Lagos State governor say, praise your leader. Praise who? Praise Dimo. Who no let you to live, now you go praise. Who let you to live, you go praise him or her. But nobody wants you to live. You can't praise anybody. Their praise is hell. Bottomless pit. God bless your life. Yaya Bello now. Here FCC. They play Tom and Jerry. Tom na come here. Jerry na go here. Okay, Tom they pursue Jerry. Jerry can't catch Tom. He want kill him. He can't escape. Film. Scene 1, scene 2. After Obiano, Yaya Bello. After Yaya Bello, they go whether na Kwasako or be na Nigeria is a film house. But we change our system. The whole world will laugh Nigeria. Anywhere you go now, airport. Entry, your party in green. Nigeria, go like this. You are a scam, you are a foreign.
Our passport is 191 in the world now for ranking.
191.
199.
For illegality, Pali, you know, get ahead. See, one day, Nami go be president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Whether I like it or not, Oluwa they talk, see my eye. And me and get followers. And God there with me. Nigeria, we're going to enjoy past all this country. Our party will change them. From green, we'll give them Biblic color. Biblic color. House of Jerusalem. Peace will reign. Fugu Yakpa. All those one, they are 419. Tunubu is a guy man. Na mafia. See the way we handle the affairs of Nigeria. Now we don't have opposition. PDP in opposition, but now Tunubu's command there, he carry Wike another life mafia from Port Harcourt, FCC ministry. One leg PDP, one leg APC. He destroy here, he live here. Now he want to do him. He can't do him. They want to turn Nigeria to one more party, emperor. He don't go exist. He don't go exist. All those things when they plan, God said they plan. We said they plan. And our own plan, now God is support. Pass. Because we are many than them. They are suffering us, and God will never allow them to continue to suffer us like this. You are welcome. God bless you.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, today's workers day. Are you really happy with the situation of things in the country? Like, you know, we've seen the scarcity of oil. Even to get food is a problem. Are you really happy with the way the country is going presently?
Well, my name is Mr. Ben Jack. And for the session of Nigeria, what is going on in Nigeria? Yeah, the whole world today, they are celebrating May 1st. But I don't see any celebration in Nigeria because before the May 1st, let me say on 29th of April 2004, they have already had first scarcity. And from that first scarcity, enter on May 1st. What are they celebrating? We are going to celebrate. I remember when I was a child, when they are talking about May 1st, we'll be very happy. So today we are going to march. We are going to march in different type of school. Now, can you see it for students? No way. No. The workers? No way. If the workers in Nigeria, they are collapsing one by one. Nothing is moving. The country is sinking so bad. And Mr. President Ahmed Tinubu, can you wake it up? No way. He said, I'm coming to raise Nigeria up. I'm coming to remove Nigeria for the property they are. Now, it is 0 points. All the heavy, whatever that they have already promised from 2015 to 2023, nothing, 0 points. A man said the driver is a criminal, the conductor is a criminal, the passenger inside are criminal. Now, both the senator, the House of Rep, the vice president, the president, all of them, they are bunch of criminals. Living money, thinking about their family, nobody else. When you see 10 naira, they will put you for jail. But then they say they'll be stealing million. They cannot go to jail. Which law did they put? They put the law will favor them, not the law will favor me and you. How do you think that the nation will move front? No matter how they pray, no matter how fast they make, Nigeria can never get it right. Unless the leaders, call themselves the leaders, come back to God, that is where God will listen to, will hear from them. But if they do not listen, if they do not come to God and cry to God, God will never help the nation. Let the leaders say, God, let God forgive them. That's where things can move well. But as of now, I don't see it. No matter who call themselves pastor, pray for the nation. No, nothing.
But from now till next year Workers' Day, do you see things improving in the country?
Well, for the one that I say in this 2024, I don't know how 2025 on will be. What I have already seen 2024. 2024 did not move well. Is it the 2025 will move? Is it the 2025 will move? If this move well, okay, now they say the fuel will come down, We are in May. 0 points. Nothing. Dangote refinery in Lagos, they say that you will start to sell. Now, where is it? The one that the local manufacturers fuel in Port Harcourt there, they pursue them away, they chase them away. How do you think that the fuel will come down? Nothing. Let me just tell you, during the war, we Biafrans, we use our hand manufacture fuel. We are not looking at machinery. We use our hand to manufacture fuel where Nigeria cannot think about it. There's everything as. Leave it for those local own. Let them manufacture the fuel. Fuel will come down. Fuel will come down. Let them give them nonsense. But federal government can never do that. They can't. They are the ones that making things are going hard in the nation. It is the government. They are the cause of it. Not me and you. We have the strength to manufacture things out. Let them give us the power, but they cannot do it. They can't sponsor us. What have we gained from their hand? Nothing. Nothing. My brother, the nation is going bad. Men, first, people are not happy on it. People are not happy. I'm not happy on it. Are you happy? My happiness is the joy God give me. Not joy where government give me. No. It says, where my help come from, the Lord who made heaven and earth, not from the government. But let the government do what they're supposed to do. They cannot do it. Let us hope on God and let God do the remaining one.